You love being in the car? Are you going to turn the wheel?
A wheel. A wheel.
Are you driving?
My car.
It's your car.
Hey. Hey. Oh, that's that. A more. No more. No more. No, no. A beep. Beep. A beep. A beep. A beep.
You want to beep the horn? You do it. Why not?
Mama beep.
Okay, Mama beep. Yep, it works. It's your car, yeah. A little young to be driving, but it's your car. Maka.
And Daddy.
Where's Daddy? You know what? I think he's putting some food in the refrigerator.
A refrigerator.
And then he's going to come back, and then we could go look at that fire truck up there in the parking lot. You see that fire truck? There's a fire truck up there. Hi, buddy. You love being in the car? You want to kiss the car?
Kiss the car.
Kiss the car because you love it so much.
Kiss the car.
Yeah.
Kiss the car. I said a beep. A beep. But a baby.
There's Pooh Bear.
Hi, Dada.
Hi. Are you having fun in my car?
Oh my God. I represent a car.
Oh, cool.
My car.
My car.
Yeah.